Alright, now in this lesson we are gonna see the total cases in the ships. So there are many ships which got affected with the COVID, and we are gonna see that what are the cases impact on those ships. Alright, so if you remember, we had converted this date column into an object in previous lesson. Now we need to again convert these date into a date time format. So we have there pd.to_date time, and there we have a df and then date. So it will again convert that df date column into a date time format. Now you can see there we have got it into a date time 64 nanosecond. Alright. Diamond Princess was a first ship which had got affected by coronavirus. Let's go ahead and do some analysis and see what are the other ships which had got affected by the coronavirus. Alright. So we are gonna see here, first of all, we are gonna take a ship Roj. So ship Roj is equal to df, and that is inside province and state dot str dot contains. So this dot str dot contains will find out all those rows which had grand princess. Alright, let's go ahead and see those ships rows. Those ship rows. So these are those ship rows. In fact, we can see those with df inside those ship rows. Alright, so these are the grand princess ship which had got the affected, and there is a date. Alright, and the status. And then after that, there is another name is also there which is being referred. So that is, let me copy it here and then paste it here. So instead of the grand princess, there is also a diamond princess. Alright, let's go ahead and see this one as well. So we have got here grand princess and diamond princess. Alright. Now this is inside these province and states, and similarly we can also check if there is any mention inside the countries as well. So we are gonna just copy it, and then instead of these province and state, I'm gonna change these to the country, this one, and here this last one as well to the country. So we have got here, whenever these grand princess or diamond princess is mentioned in a country and province and state column, then it will extract those rows. And then finally we have there another, there is one more ship which is df country dot str dot contains. Then we have here ms Jandam. Alright, so these are the total ship which had got affected by the coronavirus. Alright, now let's go ahead and get these data inside the ship data frame. So we have here ship data frame now. After that, let's go ahead and get those tables which are actually let's go ahead and update the table, actually the df, so that we can remove these ship out of those our countries. So df is equal to df, and here invert, that's mean true will be converted into a false and false will be converted into true. And then we have their SIP rows. Alright, so the data frame also got updated so that province, state and the country should not have any information about the SIP. Alright, perfect. Now let's go ahead and get the latest cases from the SIP. So we can get those latest cases. SIP underscore latest is equal to SIP, and inside that SIP we have SIP and then date column is equal to max, and inside that we have SIP and then date column. Alright, so now we have here SIP latest. So this is the SIP latest information currently which we are having: Grand Princess, Diamond Princess and MS Jandam. So there are total 712 people got affected by the COVID on Diamond Princess. And then you see there is total 645 people recovered and 13 death has occurred, and still 54 people are active there currently. Alright, now let's go ahead and see these with a little styling, and we can get those style with SIP underscore latest dot style dot background. Alright, so dot style dot background underscore gradient, and CMap I'm gonna use there pastel R. Okay, pastel 1 underscore R. Alright, so here you see the darker color shows that a larger value for that particular row. Alright, so this is great. Now you see there everything, we are seeing it very nicely. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next lesson where we will cover cases over time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in next lesson.